Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by ensuring your device allows biometric replacements. Otherwise, you need rooted or developer options. Once confirmed, set a strong PIN or pattern as fallback, because the emulated fingerprint will rely on system credentials. Next, install a trusted app that creates virtual fingerprint ID or maps touch gestures to unlock actions. While installing, grant only necessary permissions and disable battery savers so the service can run persistently. This avoids false negatives when you test the emulation. Now you configure the virtual fingerprint profile inside the app. Enroll a new virtual ID and name it clearly. Then map a specific input, screen corner tap, side button press, or NFC tag to trigger that virtual fingerprint event. Make sure to adjust sensitivity, timeout, and repeat protection so accidental touches don't unlock the device. Once set, lock the screen and perform several controlled tests, observing logs or notifications. If it fails, tweak timing and input area until it reliably registers. Finish by enabling the app's auto start and background permissions so the emulation persists after reboots. This prevents loss of functionality. Make sure your fallback PIN or pattern works. Lock, reboot, and verify both the emulation and backup credential. If unlocking fails, check for denied permissions, battery optimization blocking, or conflicting security settings. Re-enroll the virtual fingerprint if needed. One key troubleshooting tip. If intermittent failures occur, clear the app cache, re-grant permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.